Today on JiK Labs, we're going to utilize the rank functions to find the ranking of some numbers. Let's get started. Now that you have Excel open and ready to go, you're going to see we have some data up on the screen. We have some test scores here in column B, and we want to determine the rank of those numbers in this 20 set of data. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Obviously, we're looking for the rank of those numbers. The very first function we're going to look at is rank, but keep in mind, rank is actually 2007 and older for Microsoft Excel. It is backwards, it is compatible, but there are other rank functions that we'll look at here in a moment. So we're going to open up those parentheses, and the very first thing it wants to do is what's the number, and we're going to go in B4, which is 87, and then our reference, which is going to be B4, the B23. We'll hit comma. Actually, we're going to hit, F4 first to lock those cells into place. We're going to hit comma, and in here we want to know, do we want to know descending or ascending order? But since these are test scores, 100% is going to be the highest number, so we want to put 0 for descending. Close out those parentheses and hit enter, and we'll go ahead and drag these guys down. As you can see, 100 was our best rank, and the 51 was the worst of the 20. So if we come down here and you can see that equation, equals rank, the number in which we want to find the rank of, the referencing, and finally a 0 or a 1. A 0 is for descending, a 1 is for ascending. Let's look at the new ranks. As you can see, we already have up in our header Rank.eq and Rank.avg. So what does that mean? Why are there two ranks? Rank.eq will take the list of numbers, tell you the rank, and if there is a same exact result that you're comparing, they will share that rank. Where Rank.avg is going to report the average rank of those numbers. Let's go ahead and take a look at those functions and you'll see what we mean. So we'll come in here, Rank.eq, open the parentheses, just like rank before, the number, B4, comma, our range, hit F4 to lock those into place, comma again, and ascending or descending, we want to go descending, so 0, close out those parentheses, and hit enter, and we'll copy this guy down. And as you can see, the results are identical to the original old rank function. So now let's come in here and look at Rank.avg. Again, the layout is the same. What are we referencing, or what's the number we want to look up, which is B4. Our reference is B4, the B23. Lock those guys into place with F4. The reason why we're doing that is we copy them down. We want B4, the B23, never to change. B4, obviously, we want to change because we wanted to go B4, B5, B6. That's why we're not locking those cell references. We'll hit comma, once again, descending, and close out those parentheses and hit enter. And we'll go ahead and copy that guy down. And you can see here where these report 3 for the 94s, we're getting 3.5. Likely for 8, which is here in row 15 and row 9, we're seeing 8.5. Now let's go ahead and put those equations down below, and you can see the differences between Rank.eq and Rank.avg, AVG. You're going to see the only differences is the .eq or .avg. The layouts are identical. The only thing that you can really change with these functions is do you want to report the rank ascending or descending. So keep in mind 0 is for descending and 1 is for ascending. So let's just take a look at this real quick. Let's come in here and call this DC. So we're going to come in here and hit equals, and we're going to go Rank.eq, open those parentheses, the number in which we want to do, we'll hit comma, reference array that we want to reference, which again is B4, the B23, and let's go ahead and hit F4 to lock those cells into place, and then opposed to hitting 0 here, we're going to hit 1 for ascending. Close out those parentheses and hit enter, and we're going to copy those guys down. And as you can see, our 100 is now a rank of 20th because we have gone in ascending order rather than descending order. So we need to update this down here, and that is with the 1. As you can see, the rank equations are a quick and easy way to get the rank of a set of numbers that you're trying to do. You could have easily sorted these numbers in column B sorted them in, whatever ascending or descending order, and you could have come over here and gone first, second, third, fourth. Well, Rank saves you all of that effort. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little notification bell so that you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos. Don't forget to check the comments down below. We'll have a link for our shared drive where you're able to download our rank functions and practice along as we go. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you all next week. Today on JiK Labs, you ever wondered what rank your number was? Well, today we're going to show you. Let's get started.